Hello everyone, Mr. McCarthy here. Today is Monday, May 11th. I hope you're having a great day. I added in one new activity for this week. It's called Emoji Fitness. Instructions are to get a partner and stand back to back. Count down 3, 2, 1, turn around to face each other and make one of these emoji faces: happy, sad, or mad. Look at the combination of faces, find the one you did, and then do the exercises together. Too sad is 15 jumping jacks, too happy is 4 push-ups, too mad is 10 sit-ups, a sad and a happy is 12 squats, a happy and a mad is 8 shoulder touches, and a mad and a sad is 8 lunges. Otherwise, the next 3 are the same as for last week. May the Force be with you, Jedi Training. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4. The 30 random acts of fun. And finally, the mind and body calendar. And again, thank you for sharing your post, either by word, by pictures, or by videos. Continue to share with me, and have a great week.